This little bird down to make MFC, Maz's fried chicken. So first thing we need to do is turn that off. Sorry Dermot O'Leary, but... Right, so we grab the legs, we kind of pull them out of their sockets and you'll hear a bit of a pop. Once they've popped, we know that they're out of their sockets and we can then just follow through the seams. Try and use the right knife for the right job. So this is a boning knife. And then just keep cutting your way through and you'll end up finding, break it out a bit more. See that crack? This is what we're going to work around. And that's the thigh. So then we just follow our knife. Don't be scared to get in close. And go all the way around. There's one leg, thigh, drumstick. We trim this up later. Do the next side. Just follow that little seam. And then make sure you've cracked it again. Pop and you'll see that joint come out. Follow around. Trying to not lose much flesh. Two legs, and you've got these lovely wings. Turn it round. It's always better to have it the opposite way to you. Same sort of process. I'm going to get that joint out and follow around. And you've got your wings that we're going to trim up as well. Over this side, do the same thing, pop it out and follow around. 1, 2. Then we've got the breasts. Let's turn it back round. It's just easier to go from this end to this end. So you've got your wishbone down the end, this end. You want that there. So just try and follow down one side. As close to the bone as you can. Just following it all the way around till you get to the end. Just kind of feather your knife through. Take your time. It's a much cheaper way if you buy a whole chicken to get the legs, the thighs, the breasts, the wings than buying them separately. If you feel confident in doing this bit. 1 and follow the other side. It's a little bit trickier on the other side. You don't have as much stability, but you get the idea. And then just cut your knife through. Two.